60% of people exfoliate regularly, but are your clients doing it right? Exfoliation is key to healthy, radiant skin, but here's the question. Is dermaplaning really better than shaving? Let's settle this once and for all. Hi, I'm Carly Walters, and today we're talking about two popular skincare practices, dermaplaning and shaving. While both are often compared, they're not the same. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive into what makes dermaplaning the ultimate choice for exfoliation. There's a lot of confusion between these two methods. Many people think that shaving is a great way to exfoliate, but it's actually not designed for that. Shaving's primary purpose is hair removal. In contrast, dermaplaning is a professional exfoliation technique that removes dead skin cells and peach fuzz, giving you a smoother, brighter skin. Let's take a closer look. Shaving removes surface hair. It doesn't effectively exfoliate dead skin cells. While it can leave the skin feeling smoother, it doesn't brighten the complexion or enhance product penetration. Dermaplaning is a professional technique that uses a surgical scalpel to gently scrape away dead skin cells and peach fuzz. It unclogs the pores, reduces dullness, and helps serum and moisturizers penetrate deeper into the skin. Dermaplaning is all about renewing the skin's surface. While shaving may seem like a quick fix, it's not designed to rejuvenate your skin the way dermaplaning does. Here's the bottom line. If you're looking to achieve smoother, brighter skin and boost your skincare routine, dermaplaning is the superior choice. Shaving is great for a quick hair removal, but it won't give you that radiant glow or exfoliation. Dermaplaning is also safer when performed by a trained esthetician, ensuring a deeper, more effective treatment. So, while shaving has its place for removing hair, dermaplaning is your go-to for exfoliation, smoother skin, and that incredible glow. If you're an esthetician looking to master dermaplaning, click the link below to check out my dermaplaning mastery class. Let's elevate your skincare game.